All right, guys, for real this time, the plasma table is available for sale, and I wanted to just kind of walk through real quick. This is a TrueCut CNC XT machine, and you can go to truecutcnc.com if you want to look at information on this table. This is a 4x8, and it's pretty much standard like all the rest of the ones that you can, that people have bought or that are still for sale on their website, except for this one has clear path servos, so no stepper motors. It has the clear path servos on both the X and Y. It comes with sheet cam for cam and Mach 4 for the controller. One of the things that I am including in this is the thumb drive, and that has everything on it. Everything that I have ever cut in 4 years is on that thumb drive, and you're gonna get it. And that's probably, that in and of itself is several $1,000s worth of drawings and files. Some of the ones I sell on my website, some of the ones, custom ones, and ones I've paid for, some, yeah, it's got several $1,000s worth of artwork that are coming on it, and you don't have to program it. All you do is pull it up and hit cycle start, and you're cutting it. Of course, load some material on there. And so I'm gonna get this thing cleaned out. I've had this for a little over a year, I think a year and about 3 months. And you guys that have followed the channel know that I use it all the time. It runs great. I've had a couple of minor little quirks here and there, but in general, it just runs and does what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna clean the table out. I'm gonna drain it, clean all the crap out of it. I'm going to clean the slats and reverse them, so you'll have clean slats on it. Also included with this is the Hypertherm Power Max 85 and the machine torch. You can see it sitting right there. And I bought that brand new 3.5 years ago, and I've never had one issue with that. That's ran great. And that is, if you buy one of those new today, it's about $4 grand. And then the other thing that I'm going to offer is all the consumables. I've got, oh man, I've got 45 amps, I've got fine cut 65 amps, I've got new nozzles, electrodes, those are the nozzles, and I've got some 85 amps there. I've got extra swirl rings, and these are all the ones that have been used that I've just kind of kept up there. There's probably some life left in those. A lot of these are actually new as well, or barely used. I've just, there's a brand new set right there. It's not even been used. So I'm not going to include that in the sales price, but if you want it, I'll figure out a price on it. It's a few $100s worth of consumables right there. So it's going to be $14,000 for everything, including the plasma cutter. So 4x8, Mach 4, sheet cam, Hypertherm, Power Max 85, get the servos, it's rack and pinion drive, planetary gearboxes, hardened V-rails on the linear motion, and yeah. So, and like I said, I will clean out the table and get it ready, and it'll be available for pickup in Jackson, Tennessee at the TrueCut facility there. I'm taking it with me to go pick up my new plasma table, and I'm going to leave it with them because this table was a prototype with the servos, and they came out with a couple of different, I think it's the PLC or maybe the motor driver, some stuff in the actual control box inside of here, and they're going to swap that out and then just do a little tune up on it, make sure everything's good before anybody buys it. So you're basically kind of getting a factory checkout of the unit before you buy it. And then they're going to offer you a little bit of training there as well. So if you go pick it up, they'll show you the basics on how to pull up files and cut them out and all that. So anyway, guys, my email address is gary@ramseycustoms.com. Send me an email, and I'll give you my phone number. We'll talk about it if you're interested in it. And so it's available for sale now. Looking for a commitment on it, and then it'll be available for pickup. Go ahead and pay a deposit, and that'll hold it. but it'll be available for pickup in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. In fact, not this Friday, but next Friday I'm going to pick up the new machine, and then they're going to need a couple of days or so, a few days to, you know, do a few tweaks on it, and it'll be ready to go. But I mean, it's still running now. There's no real issues with it. They just, you know, before it goes to the new owner, just want to get those couple of things taken care of on it. So, all right, guys, let me know. See ya.